We're gonna do a new video today. The video is gonna be in Brea. We're gonna record the pitch lake. Actually, she me to say I actually never been to the pitch lake. I've been living south most of my life. Right? So today's video is actually going to be the pitch lake, guys. I'd like to be there. So I don't think I could actually go into the pitch lake as well though. Because for a while now. Well, I mean that section they could go that open, but I mean into that section I think I go with tour guide and stuff like that. And that section had closed down. If when I go open out to the guys know, you guys will comment below and tell them, give me a little update, you know, and stuff like that. And if you guys know if it's open. Alright, so I'll give you guys a nice area view, a library and stuff like that. The library is actually a beautiful place. Actually, if I'm correct, it was actually a city at a point in time. So I'll put it on the screen if I'm actually correct. Right? It was actually a city at a point in time. Comment, like, subscribe if you guys like this video. People reach with Library Lake, so you guys coming down there at the entrance up on the hill there. Coming on the hill there. It's going to come from Sunday, you must see the left hand side. I don't know if you could actually go on the premises because I see the gate kind of lock up. So. The road's a little bad here and also. If you guys driving here and also, you have a little roughness to deal with on the road. Alright. So I'm going to stop the journey for you guys. pretty fantastic. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, actually met some pretty cool people as well. Yeah, so down the beach. It actually have a guy who does do tour guide and well, give information and stuff like that. Sorry I didn't get him in the video. Hopefully I'll come down next time and actually get him in the video because he actually could give some good details on different locations and how this stuff actually does work and all them different stuff on there. Yes, you can give videos on all them different things. So for today, actually get to see the lake. You actually get to see the sections and then where there's process the asphalt and stuff like that. Also you actually see the ships and them docking by the sea and stuff like that. But like I believe there's no material and stuff just go by. So you get to see the whole thing, you understand? If you get to see a little touch of Western in the distance, actually want to do a video on Western Beach for you guys. Sometime soon. Right? Sometime soon actually. Would like to. Right? And some of the other beaches on the south because I haven't really seen much people covering the beaches on the south, you know, everybody will go up to the north coast and stuff like that. Yeah, so if you guys actually be so far in the video, I hope you guys actually like, subscribe to this video. Right? Help me liking the videos actually help it a lot, you understand? It helps a lot, you know, for YouTube to push it out and actually show that it's actually a good video and it's actually something people are interested in, you know, it is. Show some love. It was your boy Critical Dreams Adventure. Peace.